Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to start our period 3 Count Me In Pac-Man game. So here we go. Projects, start a new project. We're going to call it Count Me In Pac-Man. I'm going to go period 3, quarter 3, 2018. And that is the name of my game. That should be a different name of any app I've ever done before. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and start with this layout right across the top of the app. So I'm going to go horizontal arrangement. I'm going to call it HA scoreboard. And I'm going to say width is still parent. And the background color is none. How many people understand what I just did? So what are the nice things about horizontal arrangements? What do they allow me to do? So let's say I put a label in here. Can I center this label in here now? Yeah, you go to HA scoreboard, you click on align horizontal, and you hit center, and now is that label in the center? Hello? Is that label in the center? Well, yes, it is. Okay. So let's go see how many labels do I need. I need left, up, down, right, and time. I need 5. So we're going to go to our labels and go get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you think time should be in the middle? Do you guys think time should be in the middle? Yeah, I kind of do too. So let's go start with this middle guy. I'm going to call this guy LBL time. Give it a name. Go down to your text, type in time, colon, 60 seconds, or whatever game time you want to give them. Now that's in the middle, and boom, I'm done. Okay? Let's go to the next one. This guy's going to be LBL left. And your text is going to be L colon 0. All right. And you may want to give it a color. If you do, go ahead. Magenta, I don't know. And the next guy is going to be called LBL up. And this is going to be a U colon space 0. And you can give it a color, orange, I don't know. Time, we can give it a color, red. Okay. The next label is going to be called LBL down. And you're going to go D colon space 0. Give it a color. Give it a color, how about blue? And the next one is going to be called LBL right. And you're going to go ahead and go capital R colon space 0. And there you go. All right. These are kind of small, so now I can go and improve my fonts a little bit. 18 bold. Go to the next one, 18 bold. Who knows how to do this? Okay, the next one is going to be time, could be even a little bit bigger. How about 24 bold? Ooh, time's even bigger. Okay, and now the next guy is going to be back to 18 font bold. And the next guy, did we give it a color? No, we didn't. Let's see, what do we not use yet? Yellow. Okay, and yellow is going to be 18 font bold. Okay, now are those aligned centrally in the box? Are those centered in the box up and down? So no, you can go back to scoreboard now and go to align vertical and hit center, and now they are. Looks like the only one that's hard to see is this right button, so I'm going to go down here and go to green. There you go. Text color green. There you go. And did those get capitalized? Those font bold? Yeah. All right, so how many people understand what I just did there? Who's good with that? Who's getting this? How many people know how to name their components? Why do we need to name components? Now you know why they're there. You should have a mental concept of why that label is there and what it's going to hold and display. Are you with me? And now you have a unique name, LBL right, LBL down, LBL up, LBL left. You now know they have a unique name. LBL time is going to hold and display my time. Okay? All right, let's go down below it. We need a canvas. So we're going to go into drawing and animation. I'm going to put in a canvas. And we're going to rename this guy CNV Game Board. This is going to be my board that Pac-Man's going to move around on. This is going to be a height of fill parent and the width of fill parent. And there we go. What goes on this guy? Who should be sitting on the canvas? Yes, Pac-Man. So you go ahead and put Pac-Man in here. I'm going to rename this guy IMGSPR Pac-Man. Okay. And the next guy is going to be called IMG SPR dot. I call it a dot. You guys can call it whatever you want. Okay. And now do I have unique names for those guys? And do I know why they're there and what they're going to do? Yes, I do. All right, let's go attack the bottom a little bit. So I'm going to go back to my layout. I'm going to go to horizontal arrangement. And I want to go horizontal width is fill parent. I'm going to rename this guy as HA lower panel. HA lower panel. The background color is going to be none. And now I'm going to go get a table arrangement and put it in there. Now, is that table arrangement in the middle? So how do I get that table arrangement in the middle? Yep, you got to go back to HA lower panel, align center. Boom, now it's in the middle. Let's go attack our table. So this is going to be TA controls. This is what's going to control Pac-Man. And how many column and widths do I need? 9, which is what? What is 9? 3 and 3. So you're going to go 3 columns and 3 rows. And now you can go get some buttons up here. I can go get a button. And you guys see how I can put that button where I want. See the box, how it highlights? What? Do what? The button thing? The button is in user interface. And I go grab a button. And I drag it to that center box. Okay? I go get another button, and I want to make this the down button in the center middle box. Are you with me? I'm going to go to my other button. I want to go left and center is my left button. And I want to go left and right is my right button. Are you with me? All right. Btn up. Okay. And for right now, I'm just going to go with some simple stuff right here. I'm going to put a U in there. I'm going to go shape is an oval. And I'm going to make this guy like 30 by 30. Okay. Because they're going to need to be pretty small. I'm going to go down here to my next button, which is going to be my down button. It's going to be Btn down. Okay, I'm going to go capital D. That stands for down. I'm going to make the shape an oval, so it's round. I'm going to make its height 30 by 30. Okay, and there we go. I moved to the next button. What button is this? That would be my left button. So I'm going to go and call it Btn left. Okay. And I'm going to put a capital L in there. I'm going to shape oval. I'm going to go width and height are the same, 30 by 30s. And I go to my very last button, and this is the right button. So this guy gets the name Btn right. This text is a capital R. This shape's an oval. And this height is a 30 by 30. Okay. And voila, I'm done. So if I want my reset button, I can go into put a reset button on the outside. Okay. You guys can go and rename these guys. But once again, I don't like how they're way up top here. So I'm going to go to HA lower panel. I'm going to align vertical, and I'm going to center them. And now, do they look like they're centered in the box up and down? Okay. So I'm going to call this, no, I'm going to go call this button right here. Cancel this. I'm going to go call this button Btn Reset. Okay. And in here, I might just do like some words that say reset. Okay. And the shape's going to be an oval. And over here, this is going to be Btn play pause. And this is going to be play/pause. And this is going to be an oval. Okay. Just keep building. This is why I have videos. Can you go back and watch the video? Yeah. So really, I'm done. The only thing I'm going to do right now is I've got 3 more things to do, and then I'm done, and then I'll slow down because I'm done. Are you guys with me? So there's only 3 more things that I need, and that's my text-to-speech. So I'm going to media, text-to-speech. And I need 2 clocks. So go to sensors. You need clock game time, and you need clock animate. So you just go back to these clocks. You give them a name. I'm not going to call it clock 1. I'm going to call it clock animate pack. And I'm going to call this other guy clock game time. 1 runs my Pac-Man. 1 runs my game. Boom. I'm done. You guys can build this app. Okay? Keep calm and code on. 12 minutes to make the GUI.